Best car PPF search. Top 5 points to focus. Preserving the factory fresh appearance of your car in the face of road hazards is a concern shared by many car owners. Enter paint protection film, PPF, a transparent layer that acts as a shield against stone chips, bug splatter, and other potential paint damaging elements. However, finding the right car PPF can be a daunting task with the plethora of options available. We'll explore the top 5 points to consider when searching for the perfect car PPF to ensure you make an informed decision. Film quality and characteristics. Start your search by examining the quality and characteristics of the PPF. Look for films with features like self-healing capabilities, high optical clarity, and resistance to yellowing. Consider the thickness of the film as well. Thicker films generally provide more robust protection against impacts. Brands such as XPEL, 3M, and Suntech are renowned for producing high-quality PPF, so be sure to explore their offerings. Installation expertise. The effectiveness of PPF largely depends on its proper installation. Seek out professionals who have expertise in installing PPF on various car models. Check for certifications or reviews that vouch for the installer's competence. A skilled installer can ensure the film is applied seamlessly, avoiding issues like air bubbles, misalignment, or uneven edges. Customer reviews and ratings. Tap into the collective wisdom of fellow car enthusiasts by scouring customer reviews and ratings. Platforms like online marketplaces, forums, and social media provide valuable insights into real-world experiences with different PPF brands and products. Pay attention to reviews that highlight long-term durability, ease of maintenance, and overall satisfaction with the protection offered. Warranty and after-sales support. A reputable PPF brand stands behind its product with a solid warranty. Look for warranties that cover factors like yellowing, cracking, or peeling. Additionally, inquire about after-sales support and the brand's responsiveness to customer queries or concerns. A robust warranty and strong customer support can add an extra layer of assurance to your PPF investment. Cost and value proposition. While it's tempting to opt for the most budget-friendly option, it's essential to weigh the cost against the value offered. Consider the long-term benefits of investing in a high-quality PPF that provides superior protection and durability. Evaluate the overall value proposition, factoring in the film's lifespan, warranty coverage, and the expertise of the installation service. Searching for the right car PPF involves a comprehensive evaluation of film quality, installation expertise, customer reviews, warranty terms, and the overall value proposition. By prioritizing these 5 key points, you can navigate through the myriad of options and make an informed decision that ensures your vehicle enjoys top-notch protection without compromising on aesthetics. Remember, a well-researched choice not only safeguards your car's finish but also contributes to your peace of mind as you hit the open road.